Hey everybody, it's me RJ. Today we are going to replace the blower motor on a 2008 Ford Edge. First thing you're going to do, push in, pop this down, and there's a little cable here. You got to slip here, you got to slide it, and then push it out. You do not have to take this off, but I'm taking it off because I'm going to clean the filter too while we're in here, which I've showed you on some of my old videos. This is
Hold on.
No AC or heat in a 2008 Ford Edge. It's got like 100,000 views because you guys love me. Love me, okay? Install this in, this side up, okay? Either one of these. Okay, see here's the blower motor. So this filter goes in here, it's a cabin air filter. You replace it. Now what we're gonna show you is why I'm replacing my blower motor today. In here.
Oh, you need my keys.
Or blower motor. It just sits in there. Okay, give me your keys. Let go. Okay, we're gonna start this up. And we're going to turn on the AC. Oh, the cord's unplugged. Sorry, y'all. I already unplugged it because I was getting ahead of myself. Alright. You ready? This is why we're replacing it. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but I'm sure you can. And something rubbing. We're going to pull it, see if it's it. If not, something else is rubbing in there. When I pull it out, I'm going to find out. Okay, still works okay, but yeah, hear that? Annoying. Yeah. So here's the deal. You do that, you're gonna have to pop this down. It's just got two plastic pins. It's right under here. You can use a flathead on these bolts right here. See it? Or the hex, which it might be a 10 millimeter, an 8 or a 9. I don't know. I'm using a flathead. I think it's Torx too. I think it's a flathead, a Torx, or that. Yeah, so you can have 3 ways of doing this. And we might have a problem. No, there it goes. My flathead is almost too big for this. And I need like the next size flathead down almost. But this nice thing about having the 3 is that if you're like out on the road or something, I know you're not gonna be out on the road fixing your blower motor, but you never know. It's very easy. Replacement. I can't get that in there. Watch out. I gotta get in here. We're gonna have to go grab a different screwdriver. It is not fitting into these. It's just a little too big. Back on? Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is a Torx 20 head I'm gonna try here. I'm gonna kit those right in the other thing, and there you go. A little better than there's just not a lot of. Can your seat go back or no? There we go. Move your seat back if you're a big fatty, okay? 'Cause I'm a big fatty. What's on my side of my face? Get that off me. It's creepy. Is that the tag from when the car was new?
I think so.
Yeah, they had it hanging on the glove box. What?
12 years.
Yeah, they're rubbing me forever. Oh, what's up here? Is this just from feet over time? Oop, motor's out. Probably should have unplugged the harness first, everyone. Yeah, it's on this one too. It's a weight. You see it? Mm-hmm. So I'm going to show you guys something here. You're going to think, come on, really? It just came off a minute ago. Fine. So here's the deal. Show them this. There's a little metal clip on here. This is a weight. It helps centrifugal force, whatever, keeps the thing going, okay? It's on there. You're gonna look at it and you're like, that's not supposed to be there. It is. How's that noise?
Somebody putting the trash can away.
It's Saturday. All right. So I'm gonna put this back in. I guess I could plug it in first just so it's less hassle. You can do it after, whichever is easier for you. In. Okay, so it goes this way. See this little crescent type half moon? There's a box right here. Show them. See that? That's for outside. Right here, that's an outside air. Can you see my finger?
Yeah.
That's an outside air intake, okay?
I'm trying.
Can't get me in my head, woman.
Well, don't put your head there.
Shut up. Okay, so there's 3 bolts. Screws, whatever. Put them finger tight first. Kind of awkward. We're gonna get this in here, and we're gonna hopefully have no more noise once I get this done. It's pretty loud, like when you're driving, like more than you realize it. Gets annoying. And this thing still worked, but I'm pretty sure we were probably losing some air pressure over time because of it. Alright, I'll put a link for some Torx heads set and also this blower motor in the comments, in the description, so you can pick up your own. If you want, you can buy it there, or you can go to the junkyard like I did. Either way. Okay, turn it on. Let's hear it. Okay, flip it. There we go. All better. Oh wow, it's strong too.
Yeah.
Is it stronger?
It feels like
I
it.
think I checked the driver's side. It wasn't very strong over there, right?
No. I can feel it all the way over here.
Yeah, that's pretty strong.
I can feel it all the way back here.
Yeah. We could when we clean the filter.
I've got the video on.
You got it on?
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's what we're talking about, right? That's it. So this also improved the airflow a little. If you got a brand new motor, it'd probably be better. You know, it's 12 years old, used 100,000 free miles or something. So it's time. Brand new motor kind of just worn out. You always had to have it on. This car wasn't that good. You couldn't turn it low. Do you agree?
Mm-hmm.
Even now at high, it's still not amazing. But it's much better than it was. So, yeah, it's like this. And let's see. Does that one affect back here at all? It must have its own motor in here.
Maybe.
It might be getting blown from all the way there, and that could be part of the reason that this system isn't that great, is that little motor's trying to blow all this extra air. I don't know if that's any better. I should have tested it. So, there you go, everybody. Covered 2 things: cleaning your filter, putting a new motor in. Hope this helps you on your things. If you're first having an air problem with the motor, it's not the first thing to do. First, just clean that filter. That might clear it right up.
You'll put the link to that video.
Yeah, I'll put the link to that one in the comments so you can look. I mean, you saw it. It's so easy. You pull it out, you clean it, you're done. Boom. Fixed your car. You're going to go to Ford and they're like, you need a new AC system. $3,000. It's like $1,200. I don't know. All they need to do is clean the filter. They might even just clean the filter and tell you they put a new system, and you can't trust the dealers. All right? Well, that's it. As always, I'm RJ. Seize the day each and every day. Bye-bye.